Hi guys, this is Carlo Roque, your mom's favorite real estate agent.
And this is Vinsong from BGC Corporation.
And right now we are here in front of Uptown Arts Residences. So for those of you who don't know, Uptown Arts is the only pre-selling project here in Uptown Bonifacio. It's by BGC Corporation. And this is the most high-end project in this area. So this project will be turned over by last quarter of 2025.
And for those of you who doesn't know Uptown Bonifacio yet, we'll be touring you around the actual site so you can experience cosmopolitan living as well.
So let's go guys!
Let's go!
Uptown! So now we are here in front of Uptown Arts Residences. So as you can see, it is already 30% done. So we're here on the 8th Avenue where you can find the Landers in BGC. And of course, Vince.
And just across the Landers, we have the first ever Japanese mall in the Philippines called the Mitsukoshi Mall, which will open November 18 next Friday.
And for those of you guys who invested in the real estate here in Philippines, I'm sure you are all excited because for sure this project will make all the property appreciated. So invest now guys. So let's go. Guys, so that is what you can expect when you live and invest inside Uptown Bonifacio.
And we are here currently in the Uptown Bonifacio Information Center in case you would like to check out the model unit of the executive 2-bedroom in Uptown Arts Residence.
So that's it guys, that project is available for no down payment promo and 0% interest. So again guys, this is Carlo Roque.
And I'm Vinsong.
So we will leave down all our details on the description below. So you can contact us anytime you want, anywhere you are. So that's it guys. See ya!